In today's episode, we're making anabolic chorizo sopes. These sopes are low in calories, high in protein, and will help you lose weight. Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Weight Loss Show. The show that shows you how to lose weight by eating low calorie versions of foods that are high in fat and that are going to make you gain weight. Okay guys, all these anabolic recipes taste almost the same as the high fatty versions. Therefore, eating less calories means that you will lose more weight. Okay guys, so if you guys are into losing weight and being fit, please accept my invitation to subscribe. That way you'll be the first to be notified every time I bring out a new recipe. Alright guys, this past Christmas I stopped working out for 1 month and I went on the OMAD diet. That's 1 meal a day diet, and that lets you eat just 1 meal a day. But usually all the meals that I ate were way past over my maintenance calories. So I did still gain some weight, but not a lot. So most of December I was just eating fast food and going to restaurants and all that stuff. And there's not a lot of food that I do miss. Maybe just menudo and carnitas, but that's pretty much it. Everything else tastes really almost the same. Okay guys, so when I started working out again and went back on my diet, I was craving the chorizo sope from Tacos Mexico, and I was like, all right, let me see if I can make one. So, you know, I worked hard on it and I made one. So I got you guys the anabolic chorizo sope. All right. Okay guys, when I perfected my sope recipe, I went to Tacos Mexico and I got a sope from them, and I tried both of them right next to each other, and they taste almost the same, guys. You're not missing much at all. All right guys, let's get going and hit my music. All right. Okay guys, first thing is first, get your food scale ready, okay? All right, let's go. Okay guys, we're making 2 sopes, so we're gonna need 224 grams of chorizo. And if you don't already have this chorizo already made, I will put a video on the end screen so you can know how to make it. But if you make this recipe with any other chorizo, it's gonna be too high in fat and high in calories, and you're not gonna lose weight. You're gonna gain weight if you use any other chorizo. So make sure you use this one, okay? For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 2 sopes. I went to most of the stores everywhere because I do the show, you know, and almost all the sopes are 100 calories, guys. So there's not too many different calorie ones. They're almost all 100. All right, guys. So no matter where you go, just look at the calories, and all right, there you go. And lastly, we're gonna need a little bit of oil spray, and that's pretty much it, guys. All right, let's go. Next, preheat the skillet on medium-high heat. All right. When it's hot enough, put our chorizo in there. Damn, this smells so good, guys. I wish you guys could make this recipe. Look at that, guys. Mine's already, well, it's been done for a while, but I like mine's a little bit burnt. But it's up to you guys, however you guys want to make it. But as long as you make this chorizo, it'll be fine. Okay, for our next step, guys, we're just gonna get our sope, get an oil spray, and just spray a little bit on it, just a little bit. Get the other one, just a little bit, and we're gonna put this in the air fryer. Okay, guys. All right. For our next step, preheat your air fryer for 400 degrees, and we're gonna put our sopes in there once it's preheated. You could also put these in the oven, but it's gonna take a lot longer. All right guys, my air fryer is already pre-warmed. Let's put our sopes in there, and if you wanna know exactly what I use, I'll put a link on the description below so you can buy this air fryer as well. Okay guys, we're gonna put our sopes like this first, okay guys? Like that. It cooks better that way, okay? If you do it the other way, it curls up and it's not too good. All right guys, all right, let's go. Okay guys, I had to do them one at a time because they were touching, and I guess you know how I said 5 minutes each side. Reduce that because when I'm at home I put 4 in there, and they're always touching, so it takes a lot longer. These ones take about 3 minutes each side. And all right, guys, all right, let's go. For our next step, all we gotta do is put our chorizo on the sope, and that's it. We're done, guys. You know, we made 2, so I'm gonna give you the macros, okay? And I made 2 because I haven't ate. I fast, so it's lunchtime. All right. Guys, it's taste test time. I already cut it. You want me to show you how to cut it? Well, next video. Okay guys, so it's taste test time. Let's try these bad boys out. And yeah, I cut it for the thumbnail and the video and all that stuff. I should have waited, but I didn't. Okay guys, I'm gonna try the whole one. All right, let's do this. All right guys, let's try this bad boy out. Okay, all right, cheers. Man, I can't wait for you guys to try out this sope. Man, alright. I got down again. Alright. When you hear the macros, you'll be like, I get a couple of these. Both of these is, you're gonna wait. You hear the macros, you'll be like, what? I could probably make 3 of these in one meal, maybe. This chorizo sope is so freaking bomb. Oh my god. Oh man, this thing is so delicious. Wow, guys. Make this recipe. Make all of them. You're gonna fall in love with it. Alright guys? This recipe is gonna earn your subscription, I guarantee you that. Guys, that sope was a little bit cold because of the intro and the thumbnail and the cutting part and the video and all that stuff. That soap is still bomb. Alright guys, let's get to the macros. Alright guys, if you eat both sopes, it's only 540 calories, 54 grams of protein, 12 grams of fat, 4 grams of fiber, and 54 grams of carbs. And that's if you eat both of them, okay guys? Alright. Okay guys, if you just eat one chorizo sope, it's only 270 calories, 27 grams of protein, 6 grams of fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 27 grams of carbs. And that is crazy low calories for a chorizo sope, guys. With that much protein, you'll hit your macros for sure, guys. All right, guys, please make these sopes. I know you love these sopes, but I know one thing that you like more than these sopes, and that's losing weight while eating chorizo.
Well, I am known for my meat.
Also, please comment below how much weight you guys started to lose by eating these recipes, and I'll write to everyone back. Alright guys, these recipes do take a long time to make and they're hard to figure out, and I have to pay for everything out of pocket. If you do want to support the channel, I do have this recipe on my cookbook, and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. Okay guys, if you guys want to make more of my recipes, check out one of my other recipe videos. Alright guys, remember, till next time, all the subscribe, share, like, and buy. Till next time, man out.